Hello mga palangga! For today's video, ipapakita natin kung paano i-evaluate yung function. Our topic is all about evaluating functions. Para po sa mga grade 11 students, watch this video until the end. In evaluating functions, f of x is equal to 2x squared minus x plus 1 at x is equal to negative 4. So, kung ganito po mga langga, ibig sabihin po niyan, yung ating x is equal to negative 4. So, ang gagawin lang po natin dyan, substitute lang po natin yung value of x to the given function. So, our given function is f of x is equal to 2x squared minus x plus 1 at x is equal to negative 4. Since ito po is f of x yan. So, ibig sabihin, our x is negative 4. So, ang gagawin po natin mga palangga is, we are going to substitute the value of x, which is negative 4, to wherever we see x in the given function. So, this will become f of negative 4 is equal to 2 quantitative negative 4 to the power of 2 minus negative 4 quantitative negative 4 plus 1. So, lahat po ng x mga palangga dito sa ating given function ay napalitan na natin ng negative 4. So, after that mga palangga is simplify. Unahin po natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, especially yung may mga exponent, following the PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, dito mga palangga, meron po tayong negative 4 to the power of 2. So, negative 4 to the power of 2, that is positive 16. So, this is 16. Negative times negative, that is positive 4 plus 1. Then, meron po tayong kasunod, which is multiplication. 2 times 16, that is 32 plus 5, because 4 plus 1 is 5. Then, the answer is 37. So, ibig sabihin mga palangga, ang sagot po ng given function na ito is 37 at x is equal to negative 4. Try this at home. f of x is equal to 2x squared minus x plus 1 at x is equal to 0. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment for more updates on our math tutorial. Thank you so much mga palangga sa panunood. Huwag po natin kalimutan na mag-like, share, comment para sa mas marami pa nating videos na ipopost sa susunod. Thank you!